home, entrepreneurship,
education,
diplomacy,
spirituality,
democracy.
technology.
So, what do you think makes India great? With initiatives like Make in India, Startup India, Vocal for Local, we get a feeling that we have to do something for India, in India, for ourselves. And especially as a younger generation, we get an idea, we get the encouragement and the motivation to do something great for our country. We have the opportunities, we have the avenues to excel. So, I'm really looking forward to what the country does, what we do for the country in the future. Yeah.
India is great because of many reasons, like art, culture, philosophy, and so on. But my personal favorite is spirituality and philosophy. India is a birthplace for many major religions, and they have given us great philosophies that have guided us throughout the centuries. And these philosophies, like dharma, and gave us concepts like dharma and karma, ahimsa, and so on. And I think because of this, we were able to create things like yoga and meditation that help us connect our body and our mind, and take us further in our journey as human beings. So I think that is one of the very vast reasons why India is great for me.
What do you think makes India great?
To me, India is great because of its democracy, the fact that it holds one of the world's largest elections. The EC ensures free and fair elections, even going to the remotest places through mobile polling booths or electronic voting machines. And this dedication for the inclusivity, uh, it shows the true spirit of democracy, and that is a great thing.
As a student of foreign policy, I would say India's attitude and outreach to other countries is what makes it great. Our diplomatic practices through culture, through our medicine, vaccine diplomacy, especially our expansive diaspora abroad, makes it remarkable and a lot to learn from.
In my opinion, the education policy of India makes it great. With respect to the new education policy of 2020, which focuses on the holistic development of an individual, which combines different disciplines like science, art, commerce, and it also focuses on the inclusion of technology and system.
UPI and internet revolution makes India great. It's not just about connecting people with opportunities, it's about providing world-class facilities and education and healthcare to people located in the remote parts of the country. It's also about making people empowered to pursue their dreams and make India great again.
What do you think makes India great?
I think the best thing about India is that it makes me feel like home, because I love traveling. No matter wherever I travel within India, I always feel that I'm at home. And the different cultures that exists within India, I don't think so that essence you can get anywhere else in the world.